Shout out Karen. She'd DIY the heck out of this paint.
She can try.
She can try.
I don't think she would be successful. Unless she borrows that spray rig in that room right there.
Yeah, that probably wouldn't. She's original. Welcome to Paint Talk. I'm Tyler, president of That One Painter.
And I'm Hunter, a franchise business coach here at That One Painter.
And today, we're going to talk about Gallery Series, a newer paint from Sherwin-Williams. It's probably about 2 years old now.
Yeah, newish.
And now we've actually seen it in production.
Yep.
We got some things that we like about it.
We got it in our hands.
Yeah, and we're going to share some things we don't really like about it. So what do you like about it?
What I love about it.
Ooh.
I'm going to take it up from a like, and we're going to step up love.
All right.
You go to Home Depot, or you go to Lowe's, or you go to even a cabinet shop.
Right.
You see the factory-like finish where there's scratch resistant.
Beautiful.
It just looks really good.
Yeah.
Gallery allows you to do that, but on site. Like in their house, you get to set up a spray booth and you get to go to town with Gallery. Love that part about Gallery. Nice factory finish.
I love how the factory finish, we can achieve a factory finish on site and a lot of times with less product, and the production process is faster. And as both a homeowner and a contractor, that's a win. That's a win-win. We're producing it faster and we're getting a higher quality. What I mean by the production process because of the factory finish is it dries super fast.
Yeah, it has a primer, Gallery Series primer, that also dries really quickly. So
it's like what, 30 minutes to the touch basically.
Yeah, it's really quick. Whereas some primers you're almost waiting a whole day in order to get back in that kitchen to spray the top coat. With Gallery you can prime and two coat basically in the same day.
We have an extensive cabinet painting process where we take the cabinets off, we're degreasing, right? And then we're wiping those down, and then we're sanding, and then we're priming, sanding again, priming, right? And I can keep on going. Gallery, there's a lot of steps for cabinet paint, and we have to nail that last part, and that's where Gallery Series really shines with that factory finish.
What some people think is something they don't like about Gallery, I don't necessarily not like this about it. I think it could go either way. Is you cannot brush and roll this paint. It's way too thin. It'll drip and sag like crazy. You have to. This is a spray only, which is you're not going to see DIYers doing this. This is a professional paint. Professional painting contractor will be the one to apply this.
So we've been asking for Sherwin to come out with a product that was production friendly, homeowner friendly, something that didn't smell super strong like some of these varnishes can smell, right? Where it's like stinking it up.
Yep.
Gallery kind of provides that. It's a 1K, that's a fancy term, but it's a 1K product that performs like a 2K where you actually have to mix two components. It's a one component paint, which is huge when we're painting cabinets on site. So we're not doing science, we're not doing chemistry in a homeowner's
No one wants me doing that, dude.
Yeah, nobody wants me doing chemistry. This has the chemistry already in it. Maybe you gotta shake it up a little bit.
There is a standard for cabinet paintings. Cabinet coatings, right?
Yeah, KCMA is what it's called.
Yeah, it's regulated by the KCMA, and this product goes above and beyond those standards. So you do this product, you apply it properly, you do the proper prep, prime two coats, top coat twice, your cabinets are set and you're good to go for a pretty long time with Gallery. If you want a professional factory-like finish on site that's done in a timely manner, that passes all the standards, give That One Painter a call and we will get Gallery on your cabinets for you. That's it for this episode of Paint Talk.
Thanks for watching.